Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to use Wrike for task management step by step. If you want to plan work, track progress, and stay on top of deadlines, yeah, this is the core of how Wrike really works. Alright, first, let's talk about tasks. In Wrike, tasks are individual pieces of work. Everything you manage, track, or complete usually starts as a task. To create a task, click the Add Task button or the plus icon. Give the task a clear name so anyone can understand what needs to be done. Short and specific works best. Next, open the task and add details. You can write a description, add notes, or attach files. So, all task information stays in one place. Assign the task to the right person and set a due date. This is what turns a task into something actionable instead of just a note. To stay organized, place tasks inside folders or projects. You can group them by project, client, or workflow stage. This keeps your task list from getting messy. As work moves forward, update task status. Mark tasks as active, in progress, or completed, so you always know what's done and what still needs attention. You can review tasks using list view, board view, or timeline view. Filters also help you focus on tasks by status, due date, or assignee. This is where task management really clicks. And that's how to use Wrike for task management step by step. Once tasks are clear, assigned, and tracked, everything else becomes easier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.